This is a beautiful boat neck design. I made Pintex designs or Pintex straight stitching lines using double needle or twin needle, but you can make this design using any simple straight stitching machine and turn a plain fabric into a designer top very easily in no time. So just check out, I try to explain all the steps one by one. If you have any doubt, write me in the comment section. So let's check out how to make this top. I'm using khadi fabric to make this beautiful top. The length of this fabric is 24 inches in double and 35 inches. Separate both the pieces because we need to cut front separately and back separately. Using the pattern that I shared earlier, I'm cutting the back. In the front side, we are making a small notch in the middle of the fabric. When you open this piece, it will be like this, and we are attaching a placket or fixing a placket. This placket is 2.5 inches wide and 16 inches long. Fold it from the back side and press it. Then we need to stitch it. So we set our Usha Janam Stitch Magic with double needle. Thread tension on 4, stitch length straight and stitch length width on maximum. Double needle fixing is just like a simple needle fixing that I shared with you earlier. Using 2 thread colors, one is light, one is dark, and make top stitch to finish the placket. Now turn the fabric front side up, mark 2.5 inch, 1.5 inch, again 1.5 inch. This way cover the 5 inches that you left extra on the sides and join these lines till the bottom. Make small cuts on the top and bottom of your dress, whether it is a long dress or a short kurti. You can alternatively, you can use a tracing wheel to run on these lines so that the lines or the markings can get on the back side of the fabric also. Now fold this fabric on these lines. The right side of your dress would be up and make simple straight stitches. So here you have about 5 lines and make straight stitches on all these lines. You will start from the neck side till the bottom. Make sure you do it like this because there is one more useful tip that I'm going to share just now. So this way you have your 5 lines on the left side of the dress. You can see the placket is in the middle and these are the lines or the pin tucks. Other side, you will be making these pin tucks bottom till top, that is bottom till the neckline. It is important because one thread is light and one is darker. So that way the design coordination would be perfect. And this way you can turn your Pintex on outer side or the left side or the inside. Fold the fabric and mark your kurti or your top as per the draft. Neck width is 4.5, neck length I kept 3.5, but you can keep even 3. Give it a shape and cut as per the drafting. Now this is how it would look. Join one side of the shoulder. To finish the edges, I use a zigzag stitch as I shared with you earlier. I'm joining 2 bias tapes to finish the neckline. Now starting from the open side of the shoulder, keep this bias tape on the right side of your top. One important point is when you place your bias tape on the right side of your kurti or your top. Don't pull it. Just place it and make a top stitch. But when you keep your bias tape on the back side of your neckline, then you must pull it. You need to stretch it then. So here we are just keeping it and making a stitch. No stretching at all. So finish the neckline front till the back. Fold it towards the back side. Either you can hem, as I shared with you earlier, the hemming technique, or simply fold it and make a stitch. A machine stitch is in fashion nowadays. So all the ready-made clothes, most of them have machine stitches. You can do that. You can fold this bias tape either half or full completely. Once finished till the other shoulder, press the neckline and join the other shoulder. I'm doing a zigzag here to finish. Now the sleeves. I have a small fabric on the edges, so I'm making this 3-inch long sleeve here. I'll be making one joint with this sleeve. So here I cut one piece, and with other fabric, this is side fabric, I'm cutting the other 2 joint pieces. So take total length, that was about 8 inches or 9 inches. Keep your pattern as shared earlier, and the method I'm sharing now, that is super easy and super simple, and you are going to love it whenever there is a joint. So here we come to our machine, turn the machine on zigzag, stitch length, width, and dial setting is 4, is as we set earlier, and zigzag, fold this open piece on the selvage piece of the sleeve and make a zigzag stitch like this. So here I'm making a straight stitch to finish the joint and the bottom. Here the sleeve is done, and same way I'm joining the other sleeve. On the selvage, I'm folding the open side of the sleeve, keeping it and making a zigzag. I'm using a same color thread, but if I use a different color thread, it will give a very embroidery like it will give a nice look. So that's all up to you, because this is a simple fabric, a khadi fabric that looks nice. So I'm making design this way. So here we join the sleeve with the armhole. Once that is done, we close the sides starting from the sleeve bottom till the bottom of the top. Same way, the other side of the top is to be stitched, and here we do a zigzag or one overcasting or overlock, because khadi or cottons, generally the threads fray a lot. Now fold the bottoms, and here this top is done.
I love this design, and I would like to know how did you like making it. If you have any question related to Usha Janome Stitch Magic, just drop me a message and I would be answering it promptly. If you want to know more about Stitching Mall or more about Usha Janome automatic machines, then visit stitchingmall.com. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.